So today I'm going to be responding to this comment on how to achieve a slick back ponytail using just a hair tie and some R+Co hairspray. So I'm just going in with a tail comb, and then if you just look to the camera slightly and drop your head, and we're just going to do a centre parting down the middle. You don't have to do a face frame. We want to do a face frame in this instance, so we're just going to drop the front out on either side so it's like a soft bang. And then you're just going to get all the hair together. Then once you've got it all into your hands, I'm going to go in with the R+Co Outerspace hairspray. And this is perfect because it's so flexible, suits all hair types, smells absolutely amazing. This is my favourite hairspray I think of all time. It's workable, mouldable, so you can just keep layering it on and it doesn't weigh the hair down. It still just gives a real nice hold. And then you're going to take your elastic. So in this case, we're going silk. I do love silk hair ties. They're kinder on your hair. They look cute as well, keeping a nice little bit of tension. You don't need to overdo it, and then just pull. So once you've set it in place, like this, you've got all your flyaways. If you want it to be stronger, you just need to layer more on. A little bit through the front. Put a little bit just on your fingers. I always like to do it on the fingers just for the pieces at the front. You can just work it over the top just to get a little bit of a finish on those as well. And then just for a little extra hack while I'm here, we're just going to go in with a little bit of the R+Co Dart pomade stick, also another favourite. So this you can take everywhere with you. The hairspray being in a larger can unless you get a mini size. The dart is great to just have in your handbag at all times if you like slick back hairstyles. Such a versatile product, really easy to use, and like I said, you can take it anywhere with you. Just put a little bit on. It's like soft in texture. If you rub it on your fingers even, you can put a bit on your hand and then put it through. And there we go. As easy as that. Finished.